Having access to learning apps your students need is essential, but traditionally, the process to request them can be long and convoluted. Jamf Teacher streamlines this process with app requests by allowing you, the teacher, to request apps directly from IT. Welcome back to the Jamf Teacher series. This is Zach. Let's jump in and learn how to use app requests to get more apps for our students. It's important to note right away that your school may or may not have enabled app requests for Jamf Teacher. If you're following along with this module and don't see it, check with your school for guidance on their app request policy. I'm in the middle of building a lesson for my social studies class, and I want to introduce my students to Duolingo so they can start learning new languages. Unfortunately, Duolingo isn't yet in the list of my school's pre-approved apps. Let's use app requests to ask my school to deploy Duolingo to my students' devices. To start, I'm going to leave the Jamf Teacher app and open the App Store. I'll search for Duolingo and tap it to bring up its app page. Then I'll tap the Share button on the upper right. In the middle of the Share menu, there's a list of apps I can share to. If I swipe to the left, I can tap Jamf Teacher to start the app request process. First, I need to select which class I want to request this app for. Then, select which students I want to have access to the app, or tap Select All Students in this class to select everyone. Finally, I just need to enter a reason for the request to prove the need for the app. Your school might require certain justification or billing information, so it's important to check with them for what they prefer here. Then I'll tap Submit on the top right. My app request has been submitted to my school for review. Now that the request is submitted, it can be tracked through the Jamf Teacher app. From the Jamf Teacher app homepage, tap the App Requests tile. Here I can see my current requests and their status. Duolingo is still pending, meaning my school still needs to review it. Once it's been reviewed, I'll get a notification on my device letting me know whether it was approved or denied. If it was approved, the app will be pushed to my students and ready to use. If my school denied the request, they may provide a reason for doing so, which I can view here as well. If you have trouble remembering any of these steps, tap the information icon on the top left of the app request page for quick instructions, or take a look at Requesting Apps for Students in the Help Guides tile. That brings us to the end of the Jamf Teacher series. We learned how to navigate the app and access resources, create lessons, and deploy them through classes alongside many other actions. We learned how to interact with our students through messages and the Raise Hand feature, as well as request apps that we want our students to have access to. We at Jamf want to thank you for the commitment you make to the world's next generation of learners. We hope that by adding Jamf Teacher to your toolset, we can help you create fun and engaging experiences to help your students learn. That's all for now. Welcome to the Jamf family. Stay awesome.